Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an incredible journey deep into the past, uncovering the secrets of the ancient world and the monumental achievements of its engineering marvels. In this episode, we turn our attention to the pillars of ancient engineering, investigating the pyramid builders and their construction sites. Brace yourselves for an exploration of ancient civilizations, skilled craftsmen, and the awe-inspiring pyramids that have stood the test of time. The pyramids, those iconic structures that grace the horizons of Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Mesoamerica, continue to captivate our imagination. But have you ever wondered about the minds behind these colossal edifices and the ingenious methods they employ to create such architectural wonders? Join us as we dive deep into the world of the pyramid builders, those skilled engineers who shaped history and left an indelible mark on our collective human heritage. We start our journey in ancient Egypt, a land of pharaohs and divine kingship. Here, the pyramids served as monumental tombs, built to honor and preserve the power of the pharaohs for eternity. But how were these majestic structures constructed? What engineering techniques were employed to lift and position those massive stone blocks? And what deeper meanings and beliefs were intertwined with their creation? As we investigate the pyramid builders and their construction sites, we discover a world of scientific precision and astronomical knowledge. These ancient engineers employed advanced surveying techniques, aligning their pyramids with celestial bodies, such as the ever-reliable North Star. Their understanding of mathematics and geometry enabled them to create structures that still astound us today. But the construction of pyramids involved much more than celestial alignments. Massive stone blocks, some weighing several tons, were quarried from nearby sources and carefully shaped to fit together seamlessly. We delve into the logistics of this colossal task, exploring the tools, ramps, and the sheer manpower required to transport and position these enormous stones, all while maintaining impeccable precision. Beyond their exterior grandeur, the pyramids held intricate internal structures, veiled chambers, and hidden passages. These architectural masterpieces were not just elaborate tombs but also gateways to the afterlife. We unravel the profound religious and cultural significance that guided the pyramid builders, as their creations became tangible symbols of the pharaoh's divine authority and eternal reign. So, get ready to witness the magnificence of ancient engineering as we embark on this captivating journey through time. Join us as we unveil the secrets of the pyramid builders and their construction sites, shedding light on the extraordinary achievements and lasting legacy of these ancient civilizations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as we unravel the pillars of ancient engineering together. The ancient civilizations of Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Mesoamerica left behind an extraordinary legacy of monumental architecture that continues to captivate our imagination to this day. Among these awe-inspiring structures, the pyramids stand as timeless testaments to the engineering prowess and cultural achievements of these ancient societies. Investigating the pyramid builders and their construction sites reveals remarkable insights into their techniques, skills, and the cultural and religious significance of these monumental edifices. The pyramid builders of ancient Egypt, for instance, were skilled craftsmen and engineers who meticulously planned and constructed these immense structures. The most famous pyramids, such as the Great Pyramid of Giza, were built during the Old Kingdom period, approximately between 2686 and 2181 BCE. These massive tombs were intended to house the pharaohs in the afterlife and served as symbols of their divine power and authority. The construction process of the Egyptian pyramids involved several key pillars of engineering. First and foremost was the careful selection of a suitable site, usually on the west bank of the Nile River. The pyramid builders needed a location with a solid bedrock foundation, close proximity to the river for transportation of materials, and an elevated position for enhanced visibility and spiritual significance. Once the site was chosen, the pyramid builders embarked on an impressive feat of logistics and construction. They employed sophisticated surveying techniques to ensure precise alignment and orientation of the pyramids, aligning them with celestial bodies such as the North Star. This demonstrates their advanced knowledge of astronomy and geometry. The most significant challenge faced by the pyramid builders was the transportation and lifting of massive stone blocks, some weighing several tons. They likely used a combination of sledges, ramps, and possibly levers to move and position the stones in place. The logistics of this undertaking required careful planning and coordination, involving a large workforce of skilled laborers, possibly supplemented by slaves. To construct the pyramids, the builders used limestone and granite blocks, quarried from nearby sources. They carved and shaped the stones with remarkable precision, ensuring a tight fit and creating smooth surfaces. The sheer scale of these projects necessitated efficient organization and a mastery of stone-cutting techniques, allowing the builders to create the iconic pyramidal shape. The construction process also involved the intricate internal structure of the pyramids. The builders created a series of corridors, chambers, and passages within the pyramid, culminating in the burial chamber for the pharaoh. The internal design, combined with the elaborate funerary rituals and decorations, symbolized the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife and their eternal reign. Investigating the construction sites of ancient pyramids offers valuable insights into the cultural and religious beliefs of these civilizations. The pyramids served as focal points for religious ceremonies and were intricately connected to the belief systems and cosmology of their respective societies. They were not merely grand burial structures, but rather embodiments of divine power, reflecting the close relationship between the pharaohs and the gods. The pyramid builders of ancient civilizations were accomplished engineers who utilized advanced techniques and organizational skills to construct these monumental structures. Their ability to plan and execute such ambitious projects highlights their mastery of mathematics, engineering, and astronomy. By investigating the pyramid builders and their construction sites, we gain a deeper understanding of the cultural, religious, and technological achievements of these ancient societies, allowing us to appreciate the enduring legacy of their architectural marvels.